Hey YouTube, back again with another video. Today is an unboxing video of the Thunder Duo dual wireless speakers. What made me get these two speakers today was the fact that they had a magnetic base, which is outstanding to me. It astounds me how they can have a magnetic base that can stick to any surface that is metal, and they are in sync simultaneously, sending out the same signals of music. You know, whatever you're playing, they're in sync with each other, so they can send out the same music at the same time. It's like a left speaker and a right speaker in your car. So say you want to set, what I would do is set one on one of my walls or any metal surface on one side of my room, set one on another metal surface on the other side of my room, and it's kind of like surround sound. So with that being said, let's take a look at the box. Alright, see that there? It's a pretty cool picture on the side. So that must mean there's blue lights on there, if the lights are blue. Alright, let's check out the back. Alright, you got true wireless stereo. True wireless stereo means, you know, there's true wireless. It basically tells you in the name. There's no wires that you gotta hook up to keep it running, nothing like that. You charge it up and you're good to go. LED accent lights, which must have been those blue lights we just seen on the side of the box. High definition sound. That speaks for itself right there, but we'll see if it's high definition sound. Smart device compatible, which means laptops, tablets, cell phones, anything of that nature, you will be able to connect to your Bluetooth speakers. You get a magnetic base that I went over already, discussed that with you guys. You know, you can stick it on metal surfaces. Each speaker has its own magnetic base. 8 hours of playtime, which I don't know if that's for both speakers combined or for just one speaker. So that would be, you know, 8 hours for each speaker or 4 hours for each speaker. Built-in mic for hands-free calling. You need a built-in mic for hands-free calling if you're gonna have a Bluetooth speaker. That's just a necessity right there. You don't wanna have to have your phone right next to you so they can hear you off your phone's mic versus the actual speaker itself. Bluetooth wireless version 4.2. That's another good one. Alright, let's look at the real specs of this. You get a 5-watt output for each speaker, which is not bad for seeing how small they are. Battery capacity is 850 milliamp hours times 2, which tells me that's 850 milliamp hours for each speaker itself. So that's good. 65 decibels. I don't know if that's per speaker or both the speakers combined. Playback time 8 hours, which is not bad. So let's take a look at the inside, guys. See what we get inside this box. Oh wow, look at that. Let's take a minute to enjoy this artwork, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. The craftsmanship on this is just beautiful. Alright. Now let's take it out of the box. Oh, you see this? This is the speakers right here. They come in this rubberized case, seems like. They should just pop out. Let's see. Crack it open like an egg. Oh yeah, they just pop right out. And this is the case that they sit in. As you can see, it's rubberized, but it holds its form pretty good. And these are the speakers right here. They have little lanyards on them, so you can hang them from your ceiling or something like that. Maybe, you know, hang them on the side of the wall. All right. Now let's check and see. Let's set these to the side. And let's check to see what's in the box. What do you get in the box? Okay. We get a charger. I'm taking it as a micro USB charger. That's what I'm thinking. And it is. As you can see, it's a micro USB charger. Put that to the side. And we get 2 manuals or 2 booklets. So there's that. That comes with this. That's pretty cool. Now since we got that set to the side, let's turn these speakers on. Let's turn the camera so you guys can see it. Alrighty. There we go. That's a better angle. Alright, let's turn them on both at the same time.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Let's see. I'm about to pair it to my phone so we can get some audio going for you guys so you can see how this audio works. See how good the sound is.
Paired successfully.
Alright, paired successfully. Let's get a video that won't get me copyrighted for anything. Let's see. And as I said before, it's 5 watts, so we're gonna see how good that is, how loud that is.
State Farm is announcing the Good Neighbor Relief Program.
State
We're
Farm
returning
commercial.
$2 billion to our auto pop.
All right, here you go. We're gonna turn it down. This is low volume right here. Now I'm gonna start turning it up slowly. This is about half volume right here. At 5 watts, you know, it's half volume. Let's check and see, you know. Oh yeah, that's max volume right there. As you guys can tell, that thing packs a punch, man. I would recommend these to anybody who likes Bluetooth speakers. I will leave a link down in the description where you can get this from. It's called the Thunder Duo Dual Wireless Speakers. Wonderful, wonderful speakers. I think the sound was pretty good. You guys let me know what you think in the description about the sound. It's pretty loud and it's not, you know, it doesn't sound like a tin can when you're playing it at a loud volume. It sounds pretty good to me. It actually had a little bit of bass in there as well. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.